जीएमसी आजिलो साखळे आणि फोण्या सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान गाडयो पार्क करूंक येतल्यांक पार्किंग फी दिवची पडटली। सरकार रोखडोच ही पद्धत लागू करतलो म्हणून भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन सांगला। लोक हॉस्पिटलाचे सुवातेर गाडयो पार्क करून भायर कामाक चल्ले, पेशंटा बरोबर येतल्यांक गाडयो दवरूंक सुवात ना।
गाडयो सेफ उरतात आणि सुवात बरी आसता म्हूण लोक जीएमसी म्हापशेचे आजिलो साखळे आणि फोणेचे सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलांचे सुवातेर गाडयो पार्क करतात। मात आता हे सुवातींनी गाडयो पार्क करतल्यांक पार्किंग फी लागू। सरकार रोखडेच टेंडर काडपाचो आसा।
One is district hospital Mapsa, one is Ponda and Goa Medical College. Sakri muddam karta hu kidyak go and see when you are passing Sakri full of motorcycles of outsiders. It becomes a problem. Then you can't take out an ambulance out of the hospital. Motorcycle vartat na. ते सगळे आम्ही ज्या तरेन आता पाटो केला न्ही, इट इज 10 rupees for 4 hours or something. लोक भायले लोक येवन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान गाडयो पार्क करून वयतात आनी म्हणून खंय ना खंय ते कंट्रोल हाडपाक ते खंय ना खंय चार्जिंग करचेच पडटले न्ही। बट देन देयर आर इट इज नॉट नो इट इज सी वील प्राइस इट वेरी if a patient is there, patient is a different thing, but you go and see the number of people who are parking cars and going to Bombay, Delhi and all and leaving the cars in the premises of Goa Medical College. That cannot be entertained. मडगाव वयता सकाळी साखळीच्या हॉस्पिटलान लोक कामाक वयता आनी फूल भरल्या सगळे मोटरसायकल आनी गाडयो अशे। दिस इज अ हॉस्पिटल. This is not meant for somebody to do their keep their private cars and go to Bombay and come back and then take the car from Bambole man then go. That is not on. That's not happening.
So by when you all want to put this system in place?
They have to. We are following the EDC tender. EDC has come out with the tender, so same will be applicable in all the district hospitals and everywhere.
Bureau report Prudent.
वास्को पुलिसांनी स्कूटरी चोरून ऑनलाइन विकपाच्या केशीन दोगांक अटक केल्यात ते विशाल देसाय आणि नितीन कुमार जुवेकर। तांच्यांनी बाईक चोरली, पेंट केली आणि OLX सायटीर सेलाक दवरली। नितीन कुमार जुवेकर म्हणटा ताचो आनीकूय बनावट संबंधित केसींनी हात आसा। पुलीस फुडली चौकशी करता।
Effective breakthrough in a auto theft case which was registered last month, wherein one Jupiter scooter was stolen from Daboli. In this particular case, the accused person, namely Vishal Desai, was arrested last night, wherein the photo of the scooter was initially downloaded on OLX and subsequently payment of 19,000 was collected from a resident from Vasco, and the accused person last night came to collect the second installment along with transfer of the RC book, vehicle documents, and the accused person Vishal was arrested by the LIB staff of this police station headed by PSI Giren Naik. Further, today, just now, another accused involved in the case, Nitin Kumar Joekar, resident of New Wade, has been apprehended for his involvement in the said case. The scooter, after being stolen, was taken away to Konkani, wherein it was painted and subsequently was offered for sale on the OLX. Further investigation is in progress to find out whether they are involved in more auto theft cases reported at this police station, so also in the state of Goa. PSI Giren is conducting further investigation, assisted by Head Constable Vishwas Dowde.
Sir, any accused was in Bombay custody, sir, before?
The accused Nitin Kumar Joekar has a checkered past. He was earlier involved in a cheating case at Vasco Police Station, and also he was handed over in the custody of Mumbai Police for his involvement in a cheating case at Mumbai. He was in fact for almost 3 months in the custody of Mumbai Police. We are trying to ascertain more from them.
कदंबाच्या ड्रायव्हराक खंय गाडयो सारक्यो चलोवंक कळना। फ्युअल एफिशियंट पद्दतीन गाडयो चलोवंक शिकूंक म्हूण कदंबान पेट्रोलियम कन्झर्वेशन अँड रिसर्च असोसिएशन PCRA कडेन कबलात केल्या। कबलातीचेर मुख्यमंत्र्यान सय केली। ड्रायव्हराक PCRA सेफ गाडी चलोवंक आनी डिझेल वाचोवंक ट्रेनिंग दितली। कदंबाक कॅबा खातीर सल्लागार नेमपाची चर्चा चल्ल्या।
कदंबाच्यो गाडयो घडये चड फ्यूल खाता आसुये, सरकारान सेफ आणि फ्यूल सेव्हिंग करूंक आता कदंबाच्या ड्रायव्हरांक ट्रेनिंग दिवपाचे थारायला. पेट्रोलियम कन्झर्वेशन अँड रिसर्च असोसिएशन त्या खातीर ट्रेनिंग दितले. कदंबान कबलातीचेर सय केली.
I'll just mention one point. This is basically a combination of Kadamba with them in order to ensure that the drivers are trained to drive the bus safe and more fuel efficient. So there are some wrong practices many times drivers develop. Though they may not be dangerous, still like clutching unnecessarily, clutching at wrong time, all these things actually are slightly dangerous, but more than that, they also reduce fuel efficiency. So this is mechanism where training will be imparted to ensure that they drive more efficiently. And if Kadamba can save improve 0.5 kilometer per liter, I think that itself will be few crores. So fuel efficiency driving system habit can change the scenario towards better driving.
The MOU which we have signed with Kadamba Transport Corporation Limited is basically meant for training all the drivers of KTCL in the context of fuel efficient driving. We have a module which is called driver training program. This is a 3-day module where during first day we actually assess the driving skill of the driver as it is. We don't do anything, we just observe the driving skill of the driver. We try to find out the weak part of his driving skill in the context of fuel efficiency. Next day we provide them theoretical input, classroom input we provide them, and next day then we request driver to drive the bus as per the input given during the classroom session.
कदंबा कॅबाचेर मिडियान कार्लोसाक गाठलो.
Taxi drivers today we had a board meeting today. Kadamba we had a board meeting today, and we have decided to appoint a consultant for these Kadamba cabs. No, see, KTC can do business on the road, no. So then, we can do all types of businesses on the road. So even we plan to even go in this ferry services, like inland waters. This is the next phase.
Will this be an app-based service or?
It will have to be app-based.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट पांडुरंग वरक.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.